Please watch the video without skipping because there are a lot of details.
Drawing. How to draw about as an alternative I draw I. From applications like Pinterest, Ibis Paint, brush typing code, brush code can find an application you can draw. Cut PNG. You can easily cut any photo from your gallery and turn it into PNG for your edits. Add aesthetic lines, an application I recommend using while editing. You can draw to different aesthetic lines on the places you want in the photos. Draw shapes easily. Smooth shapes appear when you press and hold the screen and swipe in any direction. Using a ruler. No more crooked lines with rulers in the application. Using a a symmetry ruler. With the symmetry ruler, you can draw the same thing we drew. You can draw 9 of the same thing with this ruler. You can draw a cube in perspective with this ruler. Using filters or effects, you can add flair to your edits with various filters and effects. Play with photos. You can play with the photos as you want to. When you turn on the space recognition, your drawing will not go out of space. You can also transfer a photo inside the lines. Change the color of something. As an example, I will dye Yeji's hair. We enter the layers and change the mode of the layer. And Yeji's hair turned orange. Let's see other mods. It has green tones. Set perspective. You can adjust perspective according to your edit. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I hope I explained it well. If you like it, press like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to be you kissed.